Today and hello everyone. Nge mingla kya so yin. Ani nge YouTube channel di mingla New Zealand Tibetan Family Studio. Ta taring nyin to di chita ni mixe gi manzo pepa shunsap lenzo la soe imba kecha de ta. Manzo enda ta kya la nursing chenge da an nursing chenge chonge denzo lobtu denzo yo denzo la mixe gi da di nyin to di so yin so that the information that is shared che paint to the samne ani nindu dita chidane thundu yi ene chiwa do chu gyo na comment section la sharona ani nge leke try chigo an tarin nindu di chidane nga injila dishi gai gemje dikhai la na ye phuge because yapo me ani yang misinterpret do chena yang yapo me do dichene nge di injila dishi sama sango gai. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to move to New Zealand as a student and nurse from overseas. New Zealand is a great destination for international students and nurses, and I'll be sharing some tips on how to make the move. So we will talk about visa requirements. The first step is to check the visa requirements for international students and nurses. New Zealand offers student visas, work visas, and resident visas. As a student, you will need to apply for a student visa to study in New Zealand, while as a nurse, you may be eligible for a work visa or resident visa depending on your qualifications and work experience. And now I will focus on education requirements. To study nursing in New Zealand, you will need to meet the education requirements, which include completing a recognized nursing program and being registered as a nurse in your home country. You may also need to pass an English proficiency test like IELTS or TOEFL if English is not your first language, but in New Zealand, it's usually IELTS which is preferred. And now we talk about job opportunities. As a nurse in New Zealand, you will have many opportunities, and the country is currently experiencing a shortage of nurses. According to Nursing Council, we are roughly short about 4,000 nurses at the moment. To work as a nurse in New Zealand, you will need to apply for registration with the Nursing Council of New Zealand. You will also need to provide evidence of your qualifications and work experience. So if you are a nurse back home and if you have 1 to 2 years of experience, because New Zealand prefers nurses from overseas if they have at least 1 to 2 years of experience. So for those of you who are wanting to study nursing in New Zealand, it is a 3 years degree program, and it is roughly around 25 to 26,000 New Zealand dollars per year. If you are wanting to know more information about studying nursing in New Zealand, leave a comment below under the comment section, and I will attempt to make a video in the future. And we'll now talk about cost of living in New Zealand. Before moving to New Zealand, it is important to research the cost of living. New Zealand has a high cost of living compared to most of the other countries, and you will need to budget for accommodation, food, transport, and other expenses. So finally, moving to New Zealand as a student and nurse from overseas requires careful planning and preparation. Make sure to research the visa requirements, education requirements, job opportunities, and cost of living before making. New Zealand is a beautiful country. It is a great place to live and raise your family. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and always be kind.